Hey, your belly is so much small. Hey, hey, hey. Did you deliver your baby? Did your belly not so big today? What's wrong? You already have delivered. Where are your babies? It hurt. Your belly going to so slim. Did you have delivered your babies? Huh? Listen. Did you have delivered your babies? Stomach not so big. What's wrong? Where are your babies? You don't want to look at me? Don't want to look at me? Where are your babies? You hungry? You hungry? Where is your husband? Last time you came with your husband. Oh, not so big. Already delivered your babies. I see last long days you don't come here. Come, come. I'm going to give you food, but I want to see your babies. Your babies' colors. How many babies do you have delivered? Hey, what's wrong with your tail? Hey, where are you going?